morning and welcome to the launch of our Back to School campaign. I'm June Godornes, the International Director of World Vision Philippines, with our esteemed ambassadors, Janina Vela and Jasmine Curtis Smith. And today, we're here to talk about the One Bag, One Dream campaign. So we're calling it One Bag, One Dream. It's our Back to School campaign na we've been doing since early 2000, and over the years we've been helping thousands of Filipino kids para makickstart yung kanilang back to school season, and we're thrilled to announce na yung mga kababayan natin, sponsors and those who are wanting to support Filipino kids, especially ngayong pabalik, July 29, July 29 yung bagong pasukan ng mga bata ngayon, and all the kids that we're supporting are the kids that we're sponsoring, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao sa Pilipinas. There are about 24,000 of them, plus, and iba't ibang grades, ang mga batang tinutulungan po natin galing dun sa mga areas na merong mga pockets of vulnerability, mga kababayan natin na medyo may challenge pagdating sa finances. And so we're supporting these children, these Filipino kids. Ang laman ng mga bag, ayan, mga notebooks, Crayola, I think in some areas namimigay pa tayo ng payong, kasi nga
that's right.
Kasi nga umuulan, tag-ulan na po, merong in some areas ngayon medyo binabaha, medyo umuulan. So, welcome to our back to school media launch.